me. Girl boss, literally the epitome of girl boss, gatekeep, gaslight, math. At least I'm original. Hi everyone, so in today's video, we're gonna be doing a fun video, and I thought this was super random, but it was also a fun video idea, so I thought why not just go ahead with it because I thought it was really fun and chaotic. So we've been seeing these kind of whisper app memes going around, and I think they're absolutely so chaotic and funny, and I really relate to them, and I repost them on my story all the time. So yeah, I'm going to be doing a makeup look that's inspired by these memes, like the people I imagine who are creating these memes. I envision very Lily Rose Depp and Effie from Skins vibes, Y2K, and a bit of Lana Del Rey, so yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. So I've already done the brows, and I think we should jump straight into the makeup. So I'm just doing a light base using my illegal foundation in beige. I almost didn't fill. I was kind of in a bad mood, and but I got myself to film, and I'm proud of myself for that. We love a little progress moment, right? But yeah, I thought this was so chaotic of an idea, so I was like, why not? Why not? Nothing is stopping me. And also, this makeup look is going to be like kind of some like eyeliner with like kajal, some little shimmery eyes, shimmery like highlighter, like glittery highlight almost, gloss, overlined lips. I'm not going to go like full Effie, but like the black liner will give that energy almost. I'm breaking out like a painful acne right now, so yeah, I just love that for me. I'm going to put some more where I'm most spotting. I just love how much I relate to these memes. My skin is not having it. She's been a little dehydrated, but that's okay. I still love her for who she is. I've switched off my lights and my ring light, and I have like a blue light going on, but there's like a hue almost to it. Anyways, putting my concealer, as you can see. But like these memes radiate like nepotism baby and like sugar baby energy in a way almost, and like girl boss, literally the epitome of girl boss, gatekeep, gaslight. And I love that kind of, in a funny way. Most of them, I bet they listen to Lana Del Rey. I just know it. The real deal. Like, if that makes any sense. Probably Adele too, but definitely Lana Del Rey is on there. Just hiding I'm not over concealing because I just know that they have big eye bags because they smoke a lot, as they do. Because I know Lily Rose Depp smokes in like an iconic way almost. But like when she does it, it's like it looks actually good, Like, I don't know why. I know smoking is not cool, but she makes it look effortless. Like, also Jennifer's body kind of radiates this energy. And there's like she's used in a lot of those whisper memes. This video probably only makes sense to like 1% of people, but that is okay. You are loved, you are seen, it's okay to be insane, You are valid bestie. I don't know what I was thinking with this video on how it was gonna go, but like, at least I'm original. Shade, a very girl boss move, honestly. Respect myself for that. I'm wearing black as they do, like, they probably have straight, like, really nice hair. But like, I do have nice hair, but it's curly. And today she was just not having it. It was very frizzy because it's suddenly very humid, and my hair is like a big poofy mess, but I'm not gonna get into it because then I'll get emotional talking about it. You know, as they do. So I'm just running a little bit of contour on my eyes. Now I also set my under eyes. I just want to be them very bad, you know, like have lots of money. And I know they all come from old money. I just know it. That's why the nepotism, baby. Only I know what I'm talking about probably. But like it's okay to, it's entertaining. It's entertaining to see me absolutely lose my mind. Right? Right. But I relate to these memes on a deeper level. Sometimes they're a bit too real and they hit home. But it's okay. We allow that. You know? We allow it. So now I'm going to trying to not knock off all my makeup. Try to not knock off all my makeup. Also, I already did my brows, a light fluffy brow because I don't care enough because I'm too rich to care, you know, kind of mindset. So I'm taking like a dark brown and putting it on my outer lash line and just smudging it. Putting some of that on my lower lash line very carefully. I know they all are literally can't talk today. I know they're all living their best life in NYC. Like, if any of this kind of person is watching my videos and has like lots of extra cash, sponsor me, bestie. Forever be grateful to you, bestie. Yeah. I'm also kind of going to take a cool-ish brown and kind of deepening up my eye sockets because I'm really tired from all the partying that I do off V. Off V will also give the illusion of a skinnier nose because we average people can't afford rhinoplasty, right? F in the chat, really. And whatever's left over smudgily on the, you just want to take a little bit of dark eyeshadow and just smudge it on the outer parts, like really messy. If you're not like the beauty standard when it comes to this makeup look, it's fine because you're so confident. Everybody thinks you are the beauty standard, as they should, you know, period. Honestly, at this point, this is a how to be Lily Rose Depp for Halloween, and I'm not mad about it. I'm not mad about it at all. Now I'm taking some black powder, applying it on my waterline. This one's from Dior because, hello, I'm gonna get like 10-20 DMs after this video asking me, are you okay? You know, and it's okay, I appreciate that, and I am not, but thanks for asking. Now I'm lining the outer edge of my eye very messily because I don't care. I just want to go to Paris. I've been learning a bit of French, so it's evening right now. So bonsoir. French men are shaking. Timothy Chalamet hit me up, you know. Anyways, the next part is I'm taking another Dior mini palette. This one's so cute. I love this. And I'm going to be taking the light shade and just going to be taking that all over my lid. It's a very pretty shimmery color. It's silvery grayish almost, which is very Y2K. I'm putting it on my inner corners too. Okay, after that's done, I'm going to put some mascara, a good generous coat of mascara, and I'm going to be right back. Done the eyes, and now I'm just going to do a good amount of contour. This look is very Y2K inspired also, so yeah. And then I'm just taking like a nice the nose highlight. Get the peach blush. After the peach blush, I am layering this hourglass palette blushes. These two I'm going to be mixing these two. This is like the perfect Y2K shimmering blush. It's a lot, but you know, we love a clown energy. I think they put a lot, like a lot of like icy blush. And after that's done, we are taking the most, I think this is perfect because you love like glittery, like a glittery highlighter moment. So we're taking the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt highlighter in How Many Carats, of course. And this is so glittery, it's perfect. Then we're lining our lips with the Wet n Wild lip liner in Chestnut. Overlining is key. Then taking this lipstick in Muse in the center. And then, last but not the least, I'm taking the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna lip gloss and shimmering lip gloss with such makeup looks are iconic. I feel like my Lily Rose Depth Fantasy, you know. This is more Lily than like Effie. I'm taking the one in Diamond Milk. This is stunning. Just to give you a close-up moment. That, my besties, is this iconic whisper meme person behind the memes kind of makeup look. I know this is very niche and basically a Lily Rose Depp Y2K kind of makeup look, but I thought the title was funky, and I'm going to be discussing my favorite whisper memes. I think making sense is optional. Sometimes I just be talking. Then there's I'm struggling a lot mentally, but all I care about is my appearance. If that isn't me, I don't know what is. Then we have this account is a safe space for evil and sinister women. You are loved and seen. And this is why I made this video, so that's the perfect ending to this video. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you like how niche this was. So yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Subscribe also, join my little subscriber community.